Hello everyone, my name is Madhika Kaushan and currently I'm working as a data analyst at the Sparks Foundation. So today I'll be presenting you my task number 3, which is to perform exploratory data analysis on dataset samples superstore. So the first step which I did was to import the following libraries, as you can see here. And next step was to import the dataset, which was named as sample superstore. Here you can see I have read the data using head, and also I have processed the data by using following commands like .shape is used here to know about the number of rows and number of columns which are there in the dataset, and .columns is used here to know about the names in the dataset, names of columns which are there in the dataset. Here I have used .info to know about the basic information about a dataset, like the data type and all. The describe is used here to know about count, mean, standard deviation, minimum and other percentage. Now we're going to check for the presence of duplicate values. So if there is some duplicate values, we're going to drop them. So here I did the same. And then after dropping them, I have again used head command to know about the details. Step number 5 is to explore the data analysis. So you can see here visualization of the graphs. Now we're going to find the pairwise correlation between the columns and visualizing using heat maps. So this is it. And now you can see I have compute the top categories in terms of sale from first 100 observations. Step number 6 is to visualize the subcategories, which is done here. And for more detailed graph, I have presented it in this way. So the above graph clearly shows that copiers and phone have the highest sales and profit, and tables have negative profit. Step number 7 is to visualize the discount. So you can see the plot for it. And now the step number 8 is to visualize the sales versus profits in different states. And this is the graph, as you can see here. And now we're going to check the interdependency of sales, profit and discounts. So we can observe here that if we give more discount on a product, sales increase, but our profit decreases. So from here what we can conclude? The weak areas where one can work to make more profit are: we should limit sales of furniture and increase the sales of technology and office suppliers, as furniture has very less profit as compared to sales. So yes, this was it. Thank you.